Okay, so now we're going to have a look at question number 24. We're going to import the other table, J216 ratings, into the database. And we're going to set the activity rating as a primary key. And we also need to create a relationship between the ratings field and the activity rating in the other table. Okay, so first, let's close this. Now I'm going to go to my external data again. We're going to import the data. It is a text file, CSV file, and we're going to find the file J216 ratings. And for me, it's on the desktop. Double click and OK. Now what we're saying again here, it's separated with a comma. Click on next. Next, make sure, apologies. Make sure you select the first row contains field names. Next, and we have integer and text. Okay. Now the primary key field, we need to set the activity rating as a primary key field. So I'm going to choose my own activity rating and next, and this is going to be the name of the table. Click on finish and we should be able to open up the table like so. You can double click so we can actually see everything in there. Okay, excellent. So we're going to close this and now we're going to create the relationship between the ratings and the activity ratings. Now to do this, we need to go to database tools and then we select our relationships and we're going to double click on each of the tables to allow them to appear here like so. I'm going to open this. Okay, now how the rating works with the relationship is if we have a look here, we can see we have our activity ratings from 1 to 5. 1 is easy, 2 is gentle, 3 is moderate. And we have a description of these levels. Now, if we have a look at the sports, each sport will have a rating. And this rating is where we can cross-reference the numbers to show us what type of activity it is. So if we have a look at air rifle, the rating is 3. So we can tell from that rating it's moderate, it's going to be half or full day, 3 to 6 hours. And we know that because we can cross-reference the activity rating 3 here and link it to the rating on this table. However, the database doesn't know that. That's why we need to create that relationship. So we can create queries from both these tables. Okay, so let's go back to our database tools. So just to show you, you go database tools, you click on relationships and it brings this. And now what we do is we need to create the relationship between the rating in the sports, which is this field here, to the activity rating in the ratings table. Now to copy it across, we click and hold and drag and then we let go. And what this is saying is we're going to create the relationship between the activity rating and the rating in these tables. Okay, the relationship type 1 to many, as we can see here, it wants us to create the 1 to many relationship. Next, we're going to place the evidence in our document showing the relationship, and again for this we need to show this box here. Make sure you include the 1 to many, it's very important to get the full marks. Okay, then you go back to your Word document and you paste your evidence like so. And to accept this, we click on OK and we close and save. Make sure you save it and close it. Okay, that is the end of question 24. Thank you.